Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to rank my website into the Google first page. Okay, if you have any website, okay, so I want to rank into your Google first page. It's called as SEO. It's an organic search. How to bring to my website articles into the Google first page. So it's not easy. We have to work hard. So we have to learn SEO step by step, right? So first we have to identify in the world there are many tools are the SEO tools. We have to analyze this keyword which if we are imagine you are going to design a website blog for a weight loss. So weight loss is a very good concept nowadays. Weight loss. There are a lot of weight loss. There are many people are search on that weight loss. Yeah, this is weight loss. Okay, so weight loss. You can say weight loss. See, there are plenty of websites are there. Okay, so there are plenty of websites are there. You will be able to see. So here this websites. Now what you are going to do is I want to bring them into my articles into the Google first page here like this. At the moment, this is the first article showing me. Okay, so this kind of my blog also hit in the Google first page. Then you will be gain lot of viewers into a web page. My if my article quality is good, everything we have to observe. Okay, so how to do it this one? First, I want to first identify this. Let's go to some other tools. I'm going to free access tool, which is a SEMrush. Okay, so if you are so I have already searched some keywords. Okay, no problem. So here I'm going to get this one as I have to get this one as here this one. Here you can see keyword magic tool. Here this one. You have to click on this. Here you have to find the keywords. What the keyword is for this website for ranking. So I have to weight loss. Okay, so here otherwise we have a website keyword overview. You can type on the website. Okay, this website which are the keywords you have to most relevant keyword for their ranking. Okay, so I have to this keyword I'm going to search weight loss. Let's search as US. Let's search as US. You can see here they are bring some results. So now I want to get the here you can this is the very must KD, which is a KD. Okay, this one I have to we have to domain authority. Here we have to write this one. Very easy. If it is hard, we can't rank the website. So you have to first, if you are a beginner of SEO, you have to put it there very easy. Very okay, very easy. So very easy. You can see the search volume of these keywords. So here, what is the percentage? 18,000 volumes are there for this kind of keyword research. Okay, so the KD range is 7. So you can get these articles for your blog post. You can rank your website because we have to consider observe two type of things. First one is a KD rate along with the volume. Both are there. Okay, if it is a KD rate also low, but volume is not good, don't take that keyword. Okay, you want rank your website. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is here. Uh, okay, here you can see here. This one should be KD rate 10. You can see the KD rate is 10 here. Okay, so the search volume is 100,600. Okay, you can take off this keyword as well. Okay, these keywords you have to get this one and you have to get one notepad or word document. You have to paste on that. Okay, when you're going to write the articles, you have to put on the articles of these keywords for the easy way to rank your website for Google first. Okay, so you have to get these keywords plan. Okay, so this is the I this is not a paid version. I'm getting the free version. That's why only that show this only this limited keywords also they are showing. Okay, if you get the full version, you have get plenty of keywords. You have to get the plenty of keywords. You can easy to rank your websites. Okay, so get the KD rate low at the very first time. You have to get the KD rate low. Okay, that's why you have to get it this one. Okay, here the volume. Okay, so that's a simple stuff. You have to get the rank your website. Okay, so the both you have to consider. One is a volume and KD rate. For this here 14 5, this all are good. Here this one. Okay, this one also you have to get there. Copy this, paste on it. Here this is very good keyword. Here KD rate 5, below 10 you can take it off this. Okay, this is the very best. Okay, okay, okay. 5, here this is 11. 11 is too much high. Very easy mean you have to get the KD rate below 10 is very good. I recommend you have to get them as a 10, below 10, 5, 7. Okay, these are the good. You have to consider the observe the KD rates as well. Okay, okay, you have to get the these are the things you have to put into your articles. Okay, so articles means we are this kind of articles you have to write put into this keyword. Okay, when you write the articles, you have to make this article using the h1 tag. H1 tag. Okay, h1 tag, that is must. Okay, go when you rank your website, you have to the when you rank your website, you must include the keyword as a here is my blog post. I'm not including the. Let's look at the website. So here we have to include this all the h1 tags. So the this is not h1 tag, so we have to include everything the h1 tag. H1 tag, which is a it is easy to rank your website. Okay, every articles. Okay, we have to putting the heading, subheading. These are titles. Okay, after that you have to putting the heading of each and every articles one by one. This is the one section. This is second section. So we have to this the heading you should you should write along with the h1 tag. Okay, h1 tag it is used to h1 you have to include h1 h2 h3 tag. These are the tags which is very important to important tag for rank your website into Google search. Okay, this is very important stuff you have to consider. Then you have to put when you write the articles, you have to put everything. Domain authority, less domain authority. You have to find the less domain authority keywords and include when you write the articles. You have to include those keywords, and after that you have to write it as a good heading. Okay, so the you have to put into the articles heading here. You have to put the h1 tag. You have to include the h1 tag on your WordPress blog. Okay, so then only you can get it the Google first rank. This is very must. Okay, this is the things we have to. This is a very secret one. You have to get your blog into Google first. Okay, very must. Okay, simple stuff. This is the way every SEO part is. I reveal my secret how to bring your website into the Google first. Thank you for watching.